lot of people that come through here we see don't want to spend their lives in a glass box, doing things for other people. They are driven to do something for themselves, to do something more creative, and to take control in their own lives. And Rowden enables them to do that. It's a special place, it's somewhere that really everybody cares and everybody is driven to the same objective. Rowden is particularly good at, and very quick at showing students that come through here what quality is in this game, really. We're working to extremely fine tolerances from the get-go. The second you walk in the door, you're working to a professional standard. We assume no knowledge. By doing that, you ensure that they all get an extremely thorough view on this absolute echelon of cabinet making, this absolute echelon of bespoke furniture. There's a lot of deep discovery that you see here. People who are discovering what it is they can really do for themselves. There's a confidence that comes with that. Everybody genuinely cares about making sure that the people that come out the door are going out as incredibly capable furniture makers. And that's exactly what goes out the door. That's exactly who leaves Rowden.